Hello, I am Aindel Lambino. Beside Ole Church is Kapitan Moy, also known as the Shoe House. This 19th century ancestral home belonged to Don Loreno Kapitan Moy Guevara, the pioneer of Marikina shoe industry today. It served as a heritage site and restaurant symbolizing the city's shoemaking roots. The restaurant available inside the heritage house are Kapitan Cafe, Cafe Kapitan, and Kusina ni Kambal. So people can eat, relax, and enjoy the historic atmosphere while witnessing the place.
So the task is they will have to answer the trivia. Loser will have to do a mugshot in front of the location. So question number 1, what is the real name of Kapitan Moy?
Don Mariano R. Velasquez.
Okay, correct. Wrong.
Wait lang, ano? Ano sinabi niya?
What is the real name?
Velasco.
Sabi mo Velasquez. Ang layo.
Wala na. Okay, wrong yun, wrong. Okay,
So,
next.
for question number 2, why is Kapitan Moy important in Marikina's history?
He helped develop the shoe industry.
Okay, correct.
Ayun!
For question number 3, what is the Kapitan Moy house used today?
It's a restaurant for cultural events and tourism.
Okay, correct.
Kulang yun, heritage.
For heritage house siya.
Wala.
For question number 4, Kapitan Moy is recognized as...
He's recognized as the father of the shoe industry.
Okay, correct.
Okay, mali.
Redemption.
Wala. Talo na. And tama na halos lahat yun, magayo.
The Diocesan Shrine and Parish of Our Lady of the Abandoned, also called Ola Church, is a historic Roman Catholic church located in Santa Elena, Marikina City. Founded around 1572, making it one of the most oldest church in the area. It is dedicated to Our Lady of the Abandoned, the patroness of Marikina. On the second Sunday of May, the feast day of Our Lady of the Abandoned, or Ola, in Marikina is celebrated annually, known as the Pistang Bayan. This celebration honors the patroness of Marikina City at the Diocesan Shrine and the Parish of Our Lady of the Abandoned. Here, at this church, we can attend daily mass, pray, and take part in religious activities. After mass, there are restaurants near the church where you can go straight to eat like Mama Cheats, Maki's, and Goto Garahe.
The Shoe Museum was established in February 2001. The Marikina Shoe Museum celebrates the city's title as the shoe capital of the Philippines. The museum was formerly a rice mill, then a shoe factory, and later on arsenal during World War II, before it became the repository of footwear it is today. It houses more than 800 pairs of shoes, including footwear from Filipino celebrities, political figures, and the well-known collection of former First Lady Imelda Marcos. More than just a display of shoes, at the museum we can learn about the history of shoe manufacturing, explore the collections of footwear, and engage in workshops to craft.
Answer the trivia answer correctly, the loser will put stickers on their face for the remainder of the video. Question number 1. What famous collection is displayed in the shoe museum?
The shoe collection of Imelda Marcos.
Correct. Question number 2. Why was the Marikina Shoe Museum built?
Okay, to help preserve and showcase the history of the shoe industry.
Correct. Okay, question number 3. When was the shoe museum established?
Established on February 2001.
Correct. Question number 4. What can you do in the museum?
Okay, medyo nakalimutan ko.
Oh no!
But, no. But you can look around to see the shoes. Sige na lang.
Wow, kulang yan.
Hindi, mahaba yun. May stickers. Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga. Hindi yun fair. Tour around. Ano ba yun?
Oo.
Diba? Hindi. Ako gumawa no recording ko. Hindi management agad ako. Huwag kayo. Sige na lang.
At ano yan? Like,
Stickers. Ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. Basta yung... Stickers. Hindi. Talaga. Ako nag-record. Nagmumog. Ako nag-record. Imposible ako mapapali siya, guys. Stickers. Hindi talaga.
ano?
Walang po. So, hindi talaga.
Stickers, no?
No, hindi. Kami daw lahat.
Tig-tatlo po kasi ayaw mag-accept nito, corrupt nito. Kailangan na po natin ng prevention of corruption kasi ito na po yung example na po.
Paano magtaktan ka?
Hindi ka kunwari pa. Kunwari pa.
Oh my God. Ayan, stickers mo? Nasaan?
Ito, ang duga talaga ng president.
Or hindi talaga.
Ang duga talaga.
Stickers mo? Stickers mo? Oh my God. Wait, dadagdagan ko pa to ng isa pa. Wala ako. Dala. Dagdag. Ako pipili.
A few moments later.
Ayan na.
Ayun, masaya na kayo. Napasaya ko na kayo.
Okay, so papunta na kami sports center.
Madidragi na sila.
Eventually.
Makain na kami. Ay, kumuha na pala pagkain. Video mo rin.
Just a short walk from the Marikina Sports Center will lead us to Marikina Freedom Park, located in front of City Hall right along Shoe Avenue. It offers us a serene, lush environment for leisure. There are trees lined within the park offering fresh air and ample shade from the sun, with benches and streetlights decorating the park and the I Love You Marikina sign in front. The park was named to honor the Marikina veterans who fought the Japanese during World War II, which was initiated by Brigadier General Benjamin Molina Sr. There used to be a monument at the park which gave the homage to the soldiers who served in Bataan and Corregidor, but it was later moved to the City Hall. The park serves as a place for school activities, dance practices, and bazaars during special occasions. The park hosted the Marikina 2025 Christmas Shoe Bazaar that featured the crafts of skilled homegrown shoemakers and leather artisans. There are several food stalls surrounding the park for you to choose from, which with plenty being cheap enough for students. There is a nearby Mommy's house that is open 24/7.
I'll be giving this question to Anne. Where can the Freedom Park be located?
Pwede ka kita.
No!
Marikina City Hall, right by Shoe Avenue.
And I'll be giving this next question to Hannah. What bazaar was held last 2025?
2025, Marikina, Christmas Shoe Bazaar.
Yes, that's correct. Wag ka nga. And I'll be giving this next question to Ate Frankie.
Wow! Ready na siya.
Teka lang. Okay.
Ano na sisingin mo?
What activities can you do in the Freedom Park?
You can do activities like dance practices and come to hang out with your friends.
Yes, very good. Who initiated the monument for the war veterans? I'll be giving that last question to Ate Isabel.
Brigadier General Benjamin Molina Sr.
Woohoo! Ang galing nyo guys. Ako na lang ang pukpok nyo.
Yung pupukin natin, no?
Dahil po walang nakamali na kanilang questions, ibibigay natin ang pagpupok kay Ayan.
Wag po. Wag po.
That is a kimikeme.
The Marikina Public Market, also known as the Palengke or Bayan for the locals located in Barangay Santa Elena, not too far from the rest of the landmarks, is known for its array of goods and services. Unlike other markets, the market is relatively large, with it being situated near small roads where vehicles can freely access the market. The market is rather clean and has a cozy yet busy atmosphere, a familiar feeling in a small city such as Marikina. The market offers fresh produce, local delicacies, and traditional crafts. The main buildings of the market houses the drag section, where shoemakers and tailors reside. You can buy locally made shoes, clothes, and even rent gowns and parongs for a reasonable price. Right next to the main building are the food stalls. They serve local Filipino dishes that many enjoy. And of course, there is the wet section. Just like the dry market, it offers a variety of raw products and vegetables and fruits. The stall usually opens quite early, even as early as 2 a.m. to sell raw meat to their loyal customers. Since the Bayan area is a busy cultural hub, there are of course tons of food stalls and shops nearby. The accessibility of the Marikina Public Market makes it easy for students just like us to buy the necessary items we need in school.
Okay, ready na? So this is the list. Ayan na. All you have to do is point it out sa video, okay?
Okay.
Ready na ba?
Ready na.
Familiar, so...
Please, guys. Say hi.
Ready na kami. Mananalo kami.
Ready na kayo? Ready? Woohoo! Please.
Ito na.
Go na.
Ready, go. Start the timer.
Go. Timer.
What? Sibuyas? Okay, cross that off. Isa na. Yun lang? Talong? Nasaan ba yun? Ito. Okay, 2 down. Ilan ba yan?
Oh, guys.
Wait, dapat.
Okay. Tandaan nyo kung ano yung meron na ha.
Kamatis.
Wala talaga ako makikita.
Frankie, what's your update on the time?
1 minute.
67 time. Oh, yun, muntiga oh.
Mandika.
Oh, muntiga.
Okay.
Saging.
Puro mga ano dito, oh. What? Karne? Nasaan? Ayan. So, 4 down. 11 na lang.
Ano yung mais ulit?
Corn.
Corn.
Okay, okay. Sige, maglibot lang kayo. Ayun o.
Carrots, carrots. Sinelas, damit, isda, ayun, saging. Doon tayo. Saging.
Tara, tara.
Piling ko kahit sila tatagalan.
Okay, meron. Come on, let's go. Oh, sige, ayan o.
Pwede ganong bag.
Si Raulo sa ako yan. Ayun o! Ayun o! Bag! Anong bag? Bag na ano?
Eko bag.
Hindi, anong kulay?
Wala lagay.
Ah, sige. Ah, like,
Yeah, yung mais kanina yung pa di pina-point out.
Ay, sino ba?
Oo, talaga. Oo, talaga. Oh, may bigas na.
bigas. Okay, next. Tabi talaga kayo, guys. Okay, meron na. Karne. Oh, ano pa? Ingat ha, ingat sa pagtatawid.
Oh, saging. Oh, 10 na lang. Tama ba? Okay. Okay, so we're on 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Hindi pa hinahanap yung mais kahit na andyan na.
Remember kids, mag-ingat sa pagtatawid.
Chinelas, chinelas.
Magtanong-tanong kayo kung gusto nyo. Hala!
Okay, okay na.
Pamintang bilog ba yun?
Ano ba meron?
Pamintang bilog. Yung hall.
Munggo talaga yun.
Tapos,
Pamintang bilog? Ah, so hindi yung crust. Dito?
carrots pala. Hindi ko pa nakikita.
Carrots? Kanina pa.
Carrots to, carrots to.
Carrots.
Ah,
Is that?
isda, oh. 6 or 7 na nakahanap namin.
Ayun na. Oh my God. Yung
Dol.
Jordans ko.
Dol, 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 dol. Ay! Dol, dol, dol.
Ladies bag, trolley bag, panita or lagi, sling bag, dapa bag, nylon bag, raincoat, tactical bag,
Salamat po.
hiking bag, hand bag, leg bag.
6 minutes na. 7 minutes na. Oh, hinahanap mo kanina pa.
Ayun! Wow, sunod ako.
Tanungin dyan, baka andyan yung season mo.
Gas, meron ng gas. Ano, count man.
Saan tayo pupunta dito? Tanungin mo yung... Ha? Oh, pamintang. Pamintang.
Pamintang bilog yung pamintang bilog.
Ano lang ang kulang?
Salubong bag, damit, sinelas.
Minelas? Ah...
O, lapitan nyo, lapitan nyo. Lapitan nyo. Okay.
Meron lang pula.
Saan ko nakita? Yun, yun pala. Mali yung taruro ko.
Pula.
Ano ko?
Sayang lang kulang.
Pasalubong pati sinelas.
Check nyo yung listahan.
Oo, ito ako tamahan.
I'm not sure if makakita tayo ng lahat dito.
Pwede, ito. Mali.
Yung damit na pula, okay na, di ba?
8 minutes.
Amen. Let's go.
Okay. Kahit anong pasalubong daw.
Sige.
Kahit ano.
Ano? Strawberries.
Oh, yan na lang. Oh, finish na.
Yeah.
So, can I see the timer?
Wait.
Minus 2 kasi ano eh.
So, minus 2, 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Around that.
Okay.
Okay. So, babalik na kami. Hanapin namin si Nahana. Located right along Samulang Highway, this is the Marikina Sports Center, formerly known as Rodriguez Sports Center. The Marikina Sports Center, or Sports Park, is a place to cultivate and celebrate athleticism. Built in 1969, it It was originally named Rodriguez Sports Center after Rizal's governor Isidro Rodriguez Sr. during the time Marikina was still a part of the Rizal province from 1915 to 1992. The sports complex was later turned over to the Marikina municipal government in 1995 under Mayor Bayani Fernando and was fully renovated in 2001 under Mayor Maria Lourdes Carlos Fernando. The sports center fee is only 10 pesos. To add, the sports center held the 2023 Palarong Pambansa. With how accessible it is, the Marikina Sports Center is a hotspot for children, students, and adults alike to visit. The fee is cheap enough and there are ample activities to do. There are nearby food stalls and stores if you need a break.
Yan o.
Ayan, takbo ayan.
Takbo. O, tara, Jay.
Ayan, go!
Tara, Jay. Tara, takbo tayo, Jay. Nandito, yung president. Yung iba kong mga kagrupo. Yung leader sa Live Lab, si Isha. Si Hana, si Ann, nandun. As ako.
Uy, si Frank, kita kalimutan ko.
Ayan, si
Uy,
ano.
hindi talaga kasama si Ate Frank. Kayo na lang kasi.
Kasi ito sila. Okay, mauna ako ng konti. Wait lang. Bye.
Ay, kayo sintas ko.
Oo, alag ko eh. Ayun ako talaga.
Nakita yung sintas ko.
Okay.
Oo, diba? Nataon ka na talaga. Ayan, bilisan mo na tara.
Hindi talaga.
Nahanap
Ay,
sila.
nako.
Nahanap sila.
Ay, nako talaga.
Ano ba yan?
Ay, nako. Ayun na, naghahabol.
Takbo! Takbo!
By the way, yung parusa mamaya, 3 laps. Wala pa kaming kalahati. Paano pa kaya yun? Nangangali na katawan ko ah. Ay, yung kamay ko ah. Yan, bali. Grabe, dami nagbabalibol. Uy! Dami naglalaro. Ay. Uy! Nauna yung ano, leader. Ha!
Sabay, ayan, sabay.
Sabay daw ako, sabi ng leader. Sige. Saan ang iba? Nako mga men. Nahuli. Hindi talaga kasama to.
Ha?
Hindi kasama ang paglalakad.
Buti sana eh, nakapang-exercise talaga ako.
Nako kasi.
Ano?
Ay nako. Grabe yung lakas ng leader namin. Sanay mag-jogging.
Hindi na ako sa jogging. Jay, ano to, Jay? Ang tagal mo! May naman na mag-jogging kaysa yung information about sa sports center. Ngangat-ngat kami! Mag-i-view daw siya pag nag-jogging. Grabe yung jogging. That's nice around. Yung ako dito sa init. Si ate oh.
Kalbo, kunin mo to. Kunin mo to.
Ay, mag-2 laps daw tayo. Please, ayoko na. O sige,
Wala na talagang pag-asa.
1 lap na lang. Yung punishment.
ha?
One lap punishment. Pero tatakbo.
Hindi, paano yung pagtatanong? Ako yung magtatanong. Magka tayo.
Pero sa bar?
Kaliwa.
Yung parang sa bar? Pagkang.
Ali ka na, tanong na. Okay, go.
Ano yung pambansang awit? kids?
Lupang iniira.
Okay, man. Corrupt, leader, 2 members. Yung isang member? Saan ulit?
Exempted.
Exempted.
Naiwan ko si Ann. Kaya nakawa.
Excuses po. Why? Exempted naman talaga si Han. Nakastop tayo sa ano.
Nagtakbo niyo pa ako.
Yay! Damay-damay tayo. Nagsasalita tayo. Maglakad. Simuka tayong baliw sa harap mo.
No, dahil ko yung bata. Si Ate is there.
Okay.
Who was the governor that built, wait lang. Who was the governor the sports center was built?
Isidro Rodriguez Sr.
What did you say? Si Ayen. When was the sports center built?
1967.
Ay, ikaw muna hawak ito.
Hi guys. Ann, when did they finish the renovations? Renovations.
2001.
Okay.
Malayo na ni Ayo, no?
Isha, what major event was held in 2023? Parang di na kayo kita.
Skateboard.
Hoy!
Ayun, nasa kabila, no?
Gusto lang nila tumakbo, guys.
One eternity later.
Nakalas.
Para sa totoo. Nakatatlong lap.
Siya yung totoong gumawa ng challenge.
Another public park in Marikina located along the corner of Sumulong Highway and Shoe Avenue. It features a concrete art monument with a clock and 12 bells. In front is a circular fountain where visitors are welcome to sit by. The park was unveiled in 2001 to honor Marikina's 9th year cityhood anniversary.